What's up, y'all? Hey. So, back with another tutorial. This tutorial is a new wig that I'm about to try. It's called the Alma wig. It's a Swiss lace blunt cut bob wig, number one, by Outre or Outre, however y'all say it. And we about to get into it. Y'all, don't mind my edges. They real disrespectful. Okay. But yeah, I'm gonna slick them down a little later. I usually like to wear my own edges when I'm wearing a wig. It just looks more natural to me. Um, I'm not with the desperate fake baby hair. Okay. We're about to cut this lace boo on this ammo wig, so stay tuned. Cause we're about to get real poppin'. So yeah, y'all. So we're about to cut this lace now. I don't know why, but I was struggling. You hit me? Struggling trying to cut this lace on camera for y'all. So it took a little minute, but I had got it together. I don't know what was going on, but I got it together, okay? And I pretty much just cut all across from one side to the other as close as possible. And my little rag of scissors, and like they ain't want to cut, so I gotta give me some more scissors. But other than that, we got the job done, okay? So just look and pay attention. I'm gonna show y'all how to cut this lace. Oh, y'all, the struggle was real. The struggle was real. Listen, I had to end up cutting the lace off camera and coming back because I could not get it to where I needed to be on camera. And then for y'all to be able to see too, it was just rough. I don't understand, but I believe that we got it together and this won't happen again, okay? Oh, wait a minute, y'all. Wait a minute. I don't even know how this clip got in here. I did get y'all a clip of me cutting that lace off. I thought I had to go off camera and come back, but you know, we gonna give an honor to God because he got the clip for y'all. I finally got it together. Cause baby, the struggle was real, okay? The struggle was real. Finally, finally, it has happened to me right in front of my face, and I can't not describe it or hide it. Well, I don't know. Anyway, we're about to put this wig on, boo boo. Okay. I'll just flip it on like this here. Mm. Mm-hmm. And then you're going to adjust it now. I was playing around with this wig a lot. I was trying to see where I wanted to put the part, if I wanted directly in the middle, if I wanted to slant it a little bit. But of course, you know, wigs do not look at their best straight out the box. So this is the part without me manipulating it. So I plucked this part, and I also kind of plucked the hairline a little bit off camera, and then on camera I kind of perfected it and put you know, the finishing touches to it. But I really honestly did not like the wig until the next day. The next day I actually do not have any clips of that, but I tried to manipulate it a little bit more, and I have finally got it to where I want to be. So you guys will definitely see the end results in the food. While y'all sitting there, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I'm trying to have y'all a new video at least once a week, if not more, giving you reviews and tutorials on the latest, trendiest popping styles, okay? The link down below to this wig on my Amazon store Go ahead and follow hair underscore BE underscore popping on Instagram, and follow Lala underscore curves on Instagram as well. You can find this top that I am wearing at Lala Curves. Okay guys, so here's where I finished manipulating the part. So I have already tweezed the part and some of the hairline here, and I'm adding some of my NYX concealer. I believe this is Cool Tan or Fawn. I think I kind of mixed the two, so I probably started off with Cool Tan, but I ended up putting a little bit of Fawn on there as well. You can get this at your local beauty supply store. But just in case you do not have a local nearest beauty supply store, I am going to put this on my Amazon store, so you can definitely click the link below to purchase it. Okay. It took me a little minute to get it how I wanted it. Um, but it came out pretty good. And I, of course, slicked those wolf edges down and got them together and really just made this style my own. Pay attention now. Pay attention now. It's coming together now. It's coming together. It's coming together now. Yes. I actually really fell in love with this bob. Once again, this bob cost me about $35. It is synthetic. It's supposed to be like a high grade of synthetic hair. I did not try to put any heat to this hair. I know some wigs you can, but I just feel like, a $30 wig, like I ain't trying to put no heat in that. I'm trying to get it. Once it start looking crazy, then that's fine. Next, on to the next one. I'm laying these edges down. I am just using some regular shine and jam. That's just what I had at the time. And yeah. Now, ladies and gents, I do not tack my wigs down only because I just feel like there's just too much to be doing when you just gonna throw this thing on the floor at night, okay? Every single night when I get home, I throw this thing on the floor, okay? So I'm not going to be using any got to be glue or nothing to lay this thing down. So this is not laid down, you guys. All I did was stick those edges down and pull it down and manipulate it and made it my own. But it is not tacked down, okay? Other than the combs that are in the straps that are inside. It's not sewn down, it's not glued down, nothing, okay? Yeah, so now we're about to juice these lips up, boo. I had to, practice my selfies, okay? And you can't practice how your selfies gonna come out with dry ass lips, okay? So I had to put a little lip gloss on there, get them nice and juicy and, fresh looking for y'all. So I can get into these poses and show y'all how these selfies finna be lit. Okay, all right. So this is the finished look, guys. Not bad for a $35 wig. Okay, I'm about to slay. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys. Till next time. Bye.